Hi, that's my friend Corky stuck on the roof. Today I've got delicious potato chicken curry for you. So the first thing that we do is marinate the chicken. So here I have 2 boneless breasts chopped. This is a Colorado chicken and it's got the juice. So the first thing that we do is add a tablespoon of ginger, tablespoon of turmeric, tablespoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of cumin powder, and we also add a tablespoon of coriander powder and a tablespoon of Garam Masala. We give this all a good mix. Then we add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a splash of lime juice and some salt. And now all the spices have been mixed well with the chicken, and we could let this sit for about an hour so that all the spices get absorbed. Now it's time for the dancing of the spices. You'd add 4 tablespoons of oil, 4 green cardamons. In Indian food we always add bay leaves. It adds flavor to the oil. And we also add a brown stick that's called a cinnamon stick. So we would let this pop. Now we could add 2 whole onions which have been chopped, and I've also added 4 green chillies. This channel is all about cooking good food with a laugh. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. This channel needs your support. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Corky, what's going on? I've got to listen to Corky. Whatever Corky tells me to do, I've got to do it. Alright, the onions have turned golden brown and we could add the chicken. This is looking good. So we could add some water and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Wow, the chicken looks awesome. I have a cooking tip for you. When you add the potatoes to either meat, say for example chicken or lamb, always add the potatoes last because the potatoes cook faster than the meat. Wow, this looks delicious. Colorado chicken does have the juice. Let's garnish it with some cilantro. This will taste delicious. Wow, give it a good mix. And before that we need to this is Colorado style to lock in all the flavors. If you love the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for all the latest videos that come out every week. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.